Friends, if you're skinny right now and wondering, can I ever become muscular? The answer is yes, 100% you can. Because science proves that our muscle fibers can grow and expand at any age, as long as you follow the right training, nutrition, and recovery. In simple words, anyone can push their genetics and build a muscular physique. You've probably seen people in the gym who used to be really skinny, but after just a few months of proper training and diet, their transformation is unbelievable. Real example, a skinny guy who went from 110 pounds to 155 pounds in just 1 year. And today he looks strong and muscular. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step, science-based formula that will take you from skinny to muscular. But remember, step 5 is the most important one, because without it, you simply cannot build a body. That step alone will decide whether your transformation succeeds or fails. So if you truly want to change your life, watch this video till the very end, because this might just be the video that starts your bodybuilding journey. Step 1, mindset. First, remove this thought from your head that my genetics are bad, I'll never be able to build muscle. The reality is, every human can build muscle. The only difference is, for some people results come faster, for others a little slower. But if you stay consistent, the results are guaranteed. Always remember, this is a marathon, not a 7-day challenge. Step 2, nutrition. The biggest problem skinny people face is not eating enough. To build muscle, you need a calorie surplus, which means eating more calories than you burn. Protein, 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Carbs for energy, rice, oats, bread, fruits. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, olive oil, ghee. Simple formula, eat 4 to 5 solid meals every day and make sure each meal has a protein source. Step 3, workout plan. Now let's talk about workouts. If you want to go from skinny to muscular, random push-ups or basic exercises won't be enough. You need progressive overload training, which means increasing weight, reps, or intensity every week. Focus on compound exercises because they train multiple muscles at once and give maximum growth. For chest, push-ups. For abs, leg raises. For triceps, diamond push-ups. For biceps, chin-ups. For back, pull-ups. For shoulders, high push-ups. For legs, squats and lunges. Train at least 3 to 4 days per week. In every session, try to either lift more weight, do more reps, or switch to a harder variation. That's the real formula of progress. Getting a little better every week. Step 4, recovery. Muscles don't grow during workouts, they grow when you rest. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Don't overtrain, your body needs recovery time. Reduce stress, because stress hormone cortisol blocks muscle growth. Step 5, consistency plus patience. And here's the biggest secret, consistency. If you go to the gym for 1 week, eat clean for 2 days, and then quit, nothing will happen. But if you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, your body will completely transform. In 3 months, you'll feel stronger. In 6 months, you'll start looking bigger. In 12 months, people will say, bro, you've completely changed. So friends, if you truly want to go from skinny to muscular, fix your mindset. Eat more, train smart, sleep well, and stay consistent. A year from now, you'll be writing your own transformation story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.